Hey, this is Deb Alps again, and welcome to this training. In this training, we're going to talk about social media marketing. You realize Facebook has 2.23 billion monthly active users. It's the most popular social network in the world. One thing about this, again, for the personal profile is best for prospecting. It's difficult to use your fan page for prospecting, but your fan page is designed more for marketing. Marketing and advertising. Facebook does not like to use your personal profile for marketing, so you don't really want to do that if you're going to be marketing your business. You want to think about before marketing, if I were a prospect, what would I think about this profile? Okay, would you be seen as an authority figure? Would I be seen as credible? These are questions to ask yourself. Would it be interesting to me? Would I want to look at this over and over again? And would I follow this person? A good idea is to get a professional photo of yourself for a profile image. The banner as well, professional profile images for your banner, it's excellent. And you can actually outsource for your banners to places like Fiverr.com, Odesk, or Elance.com. 99 designs as well. Contact for your logo, contact information. Your prospects need a way to get in touch with you, so you want to include a website, a way for them to reach out to you, phone number, Google Voice. If you don't want to give it your personal number, include an email address, phone number, like I said, Google Voice, or both. Like I said, Google Voice will keep your number private. You want to put your story there. It's important to share why you came into this industry in general and why, and not why you joined your specific business. All right, show people how far you have come instead of seeing how far you still need to go. And social proof, like whom you have helped, is also of value.